Walking can offer numerous health benefits to people of all ages and fitness levels. It may also help prevent certain diseases and even prolong your life. Walking is free to do and easy to fit into your daily routine. All you need to start walking is a sturdy pair of walking shoes. Before I tell you what are the benefits of walking, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Number 1. Improve circulation. Walking wards off heart disease, brings up the heart rate, lowers blood pressure, and strengthens the heart. Women who walk just 1 to 2 miles a day can lower their blood pressure by nearly 11 points in 24 weeks. Women who walk 30 minutes a day can reduce their risk of a stroke by 20% and by 40% when they step up the pace, according to researchers at the Harvard School of Public Health in Boston. 2. Can help lower your blood sugar. Taking a short walk after eating may help lower your blood sugar. A small study found that taking a 50-minute walk 3 times a day after breakfast, lunch, and dinner improved blood sugar levels more than taking a 45-minute walk at another point during the day. 3. Shore up your bones. Walking can stop the loss of bone mass for those with osteoporosis. 5. Boost your energy. Going for a walk when you're tired may be a more effective energy boost than grabbing a cup of coffee. Walking increases oxygen flow through the body. 6. Improve your mood. Walking can help your mental health. Studies show it can help reduce anxiety, depression, and a negative mood. It can also boost self-esteem and reduce symptoms of social withdrawal. To experience these benefits, aim for 30 minutes of brisk walking or other moderate intensity exercise 3 days a week. You can also break it up into 3 10-minute walks. 6. Walking at a faster pace could extend your life. Researchers found that walking at an average pace compared to a slow pace result in a 20% reduced risk of overall death, but walking at a brisk or fast pace reduces the risk by 20%. The last one is creative thinking. Walking may help you clear your head and help you think creatively. A study that includes 4 experiments compared people trying to think of new ideas while they are walking or sitting. Researchers found participants did better while walking. The researchers concluded that walking opens up a free flow of ideas and is a simple way to increase creativity and get physical activity at the same time. So don't postpone it and start walking today. At the end, like this video and subscribe my channel.